Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you a new method I found on how to jailbreak any iOS device on all versions, including the new iOS 14.6. And as you can see here, I am indeed on iOS 14.6. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the website jailbreakanyIOS.online and select your device model and your iOS version. I'll be selecting iPhone 12 Pro and iOS 14.6. Now you can go ahead and click the Start Jailbreak button and the website will start the jailbreaking process. Once the website is finished, it may ask you for human verification. If it does, you just need to complete 2 offers like I did here. And now, to finish the jailbreaking process, you need to go ahead and restart your phone. Go ahead and switch your phone back on, and when you unlock it, Cydia will be on your home screen. And there's Cydia. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and send any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching.